Welcome back, man, to alphamantraining.com. How to get laid during summertime. So you need to use, very great pooling skills near lakes, near, seas, near rivers, because there are a lot of girls. They want to, relax themselves. They don't want to go to apartments in which are very hot, and uncomfy to be. So we driving up to the lake, So what happened? So we went single empty. We went to a lake and we saw this an amazing red bikini line girl with so big ass, like you guys would all jerk off. So we approached her, and her boyfriend is, maybe 50 meters away. So we talked to her, made her interested, and pulled to another place to swim. So we swim with her, then pull, for a walk, made out with her. In the bottom we will include a photo of her, ass and how she looks incredible, man. Because she already had bad relationship with a guy. They have been in a distance, a guy went, talked with a phone with someone, didn't care about his girlfriend. He saw us but can't do nothing, So look, even you will be able to approach females who will have boyfriends, and most of the time we will have friends or boyfriends, they will stick around, and that's why we ask you, and why it's very important to learn everything from our DVD online boxing and training, coach. This is a 14 product below. This is a link below. Order that DVD. Learn our diet. Learn our boxing, kickboxing, forbidden punches, and you will not afraid of their boyfriends. You will approach girls who will have their boyfriends. Unbelievable. So it was amazing to dance with her, to touch her. Unbelievable. And then we finished with her. We jumped to the bus, and another girl sitting with a hat. Look to our eyes, we look to her eyes, and then we passed here, we came back, we approached here, made a good opener, and exchanged numbers, and tomorrow we'll meet, on 8 or 9 p.m. in the evening, probably, at the river or at apartments. We'll see, how it will end up. So tomorrow we'll give her a call on 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. So everything is possible. Very nice thing. Everything is possible. You can learn that. Carefully learn everything from our products. You will feel freedom. You'll be able to approach any woman you want. Get her attracted to you. Pull her, isolate. Unbelievable. So links are below. Invest into all our products, and we wish you an amazing day. See you. It was alphamantraining.com.